welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a New Year's Eve themed cake for 2023. Let's get started.
I started out frosting a 6-inch cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. Then I rolled out some black fondant and covered the cake with it. I smoothed it on with my hands and cut off the excess with a knife. I rolled out some yellow fondant and cut out the numbers 2023 and placed them on the cake. Then I added some blue sanding sugar on the edge of the cake. I wanted it to look like fireworks in the night sky, so color on a black background. I brushed off the stray sprinkles. Then I added a line of silver dragées along the bottom of the cake, sticking them on with edible glue. Then I added a strip of edible glue in the middle of the side and pressed on green and white sprinkles. Then I painted on stars on the top of the cake and pressed pink and white sanding sugar on them. I used a soft paintbrush to brush off the excess sprinkles. I love this concept for a cake. I think the fireworks concept really came across with the sprinkles on the black background. Happy New Year, and may the next year be better than the last. For more cakes and recipes, visit our website at AmericanBakerInGermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Support us on Patreon and hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.